and welcome to EduBridge. In this video, we will discuss about the answers of the questions that we had posted in our Telegram channel. तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, there is a bag which contains 15 red balls and 20 black balls. ठीक है. Each ball is numbered either 1, 2 or 3. So आगे क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है कि there are 20% of the red balls are numbered 1 and 40% of them are numbered 3. So these are the 15 balls. 20% of them, 20% कितना होगा 3, 15 का 3. So they are numbered 1 and 40% of them are numbered 3. So 15 का 40% कितना होगा 6. So they are numbered 3. So remaining ball कितने हुई 6. So they are numbered 2. Similarly, there are 40%, 45% of the black balls are numbered 2. 20, तो इसका 45% कितना हो 9. So they are numbered 2. 30% of 20 का 30% कितना हुआ 6. So they are numbered 3. So remaining 9 plus 6 15. So 5 balls that are numbered 1. So आगे क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है कि if he wins if the ball is red or numbered 3. Ball is red and numbered 3, or if the ball is black and numbered 1 or 2. So how many balls are there which are red and numbered 3? 6. And how many balls which are black and numbered 1 or 2? 5 ये और 9 ये. So what is the probability of him winning if the ball is red and numbered 3? So 6 by 35. 35 is the total number of balls. Since here it is mentioned or, so we will use plus sign in here, because in the probability, whenever there is and, we use multiplication sign, and whether there is or, we use plus sign. So here again, with regard to black balls, 9 plus 5 upon 35. If we solve this, we get 20 by 35. It will come out to be 4 by 7. So B is the answer. Next question is, this pattern is given and we have to find out what is will be the value here. So if we look this first column carefully, we see that it is the pattern 8 plus 4 minus 6. So it will come out to be 6. Similarly, 10 plus 6 minus 5 equals to 11. Similarly, 15 plus 8, now 23 minus 7 equals to 16. तो यहाँ पे कितना होगा 13 plus 8, ये कितना होगा 21 minus 4 equals to 17. So A will be the answer in this case as well. Next question is, how many diagonals can be drawn by joining the vertices of an octagon? So this is octagon. So diagonal, if we take this point we can connect it with 5 points: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So similarly, another point can be this similar. So likewise, from vertices, one vertex, we can draw 5 diagonals. So there are 8. तो टोटल कितने हो गए 40. But see, see this point and this point. This vertices is common for both the points. Similarly, for this point, this is common. So we will divide this 40 by 2, so 20. So it will come out to be 20, and 20 will be our answer in this case. Next question is, there is circle, and on its circumference, turn 24 equally spaced points are aligned. One, likewise, similar. Likewise, there are 24 points. What is the maximum number of equilateral triangles? Focus on this. Equilateral triangle means a triangle whose all sides are equal and the angle between each two sides is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. So if we start from this point, so we can make a triangle like this. Although in this diagram this is not completely perfectly equilateral, we can make such triangles on all the 24 points. 24, so our triangle will be 24. But likewise, as we discussed in जैसे कि last question में discuss किया था, if we consider this point and this point and this point, so जो triangle यहाँ इस point से बनाया है, वो भी तो वो इस point से बनाया हुआ इस point से बनाया हुआ triangle के similar होगा. So तो 24 इस टाइप के हम कितने पेयर्स बनेंगे टोटल 8 because we have to divide it with 3. So 8 will be our answer in this case. Next question है, a lift has a capacity of 18 adults or 30 children. So या तो 18 adults बैठ सकते हैं या 30 children बैठ सकते हैं. How many children can board the lift with 12 adults? So in this question, the lift is equating 18 adults with 30 children. So can we convert these 18 adults into children? So 18 adults हैं तो वो 30 चिल्ड्रन के इक्वल हो गए. तो एक एडल्ट कितने चिल्ड्रन के इक्वल हुआ 30/18. अगर नाउ देयर आर 12 एडल्ट्स तो वो कितने हुए 12 into 30/18. तो ये कितना हुआ 3 और ये 2. तो ये हुआ 20. तो ये हुआ ये 12 एडल्ट्स हो गए हमारे लिए 20 चिल्ड्रन. तो क्योंकि हम 30 चिल्ड्रंस को बिठा सकते हैं और हमने 20 चिल्ड्रंस को बिठाया हुआ है तो रिमेनिंग विल बी 10 चिल्ड्रन. तो 10 विल बी द आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इफ x minus y equals to 8, तो which of the following must be true? पहला स्टेटमेंट देखते हैं, both x and y must be positive for any value of x and y. It is not true because if x is 6 and y is -2, then also this minus and minus will become plus, this value will be 8. So first statement is wrong. The second statement says if x is positive, y must be negative. This statement is also wrong because if x is positive, say 10, and y must be negative. No, because if x is positive 10 and y is 2, then also we can get 8. Third statement, if x is negative, y must be positive for any value of x and y. Nahi. So x की वैल्यू सपोज -2 माइनस y की वैल्यू ले लो -10, तो ये कितना हो 10 - 2 = 8. So in this case also the statement is wrong, so the answer will be D, neither 1 nor 2 or nor 3. Next is an interesting question. It says some these statements are given. First is some rats are cats. So suppose these are rats and some rats are cats. This is these are cats. Some cats are dogs. These are dogs. And no dog is a cow. This is a cow. This is cow. Now the conclusions are saying no cow is a cat. So this conclusion is wrong because cow can be here as well. We are not sure about this, so it can be here. It must not be here. This is wrong, but this can be a possibility. So the first statement is conclusion is wrong. No dog is a rat. This also wrong. This conclusion is also wrong because dog can be here as well. So this conclusion is also wrong. Some cats are rats. See here in this zone, some cats are rats. This conclusion is correct. We can definitely say this is the only conclusion that can be drawn from the statement. So C will be the answer in this case. Next question is the number of parallelograms that can be formed from a set of 4 parallel lines intersecting another set of 4 parallel lines. So this is the 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the 4 horizontal lines, and these are 4. So कितने समानांतर चतुर्भुज इनसे हम बना सकते हैं? So we can solve this question by permutation combination. Out of the 4 horizontal line, we have to select 4C2 two lines. Similarly, and we have to select 4 lines from these vertical lines into 4C2. If we solve this, 4 into 3 upon 2 into 4 into 3 upon 2, so it will come out to be 6 into 6 equals to 36. So D will be the answer. Next is there are 2 heavy steel blocks A and B. B is if B is placed on the top of A, so this is A, the weight increases by 60%. So when B is placed over this, the weight increases 60%. Let us suppose the weight of A is 100. So weight of B will be 60% of this 100. How much weight will reduce with respect to total weight of A and B? Total weight of A and B कितना हुआ? 160. If B is removed from the top of A, if we remove B from the top of A, तो कितना weight reduce हुआ? 60. So we have to calculate percentage reduction in weight. So it will be 60 upon 160 क्योंकि this is the total weight of A and B into 100. This will come out to be 37.5 and D will be the answer in this case. Next question है Rakesh and Rajesh together bought 10 balls and 10 rackets. ठीक है. Rakesh spent rupees 1300 and Rajesh spent rupees 1500. So total expenditure from both of them is 2800. ठीक है. If each racket costs 3 times a ball does. So let us suppose the cost of the a ball is X, then the cost of the racket will be 3x. So then what is the price of a racket? So since from these assumptions, the total cost of the balls will be 10x. The total cost of rackets will be 30x. If we add these two, we will get 2800, which is the total expenditure by Rakesh and Rajesh. So if we solve this, we get x is equal to 70. 70 is the price of a ball. So price of a racket is 3x. So this will be 210. So C will be the answer in this case. So that's it. Thank you. Thank you very much.